0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So this can be written like this: 0 to pi by 2 log sin pi by 2 minus x dx using King's rule, King's property. So this is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x. So I is 0 to pi by 2 log sin x, that is given problem. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x. We changed using King's rule. Two I, adding the both, 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x dx. This is 0 to pi by 2 log sin x cos x. We know sin x cos x is sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2. So this is 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x by 2, which is also equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Put 2x equal to t, 2 dx equal to dt. Dx is dt by 2. As x tends to 0, t tends to 0. As x tends to pi by 2, t tends to pi. So what we get here is 0 to pi dt by 2 of 0 to pi log sin t dt minus log 2 times dx. If integrated, you get x. Limits 0 to pi by 2. That is half pi by 2 log 2. This 0 to pi, we are splitting into 0 to pi by 2. Half into 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sin t minus pi by 2 log 2, 2 to cancel, 2I finally equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin t minus pi by 2 log 2. Here we are going to apply very first rule, P0, which says you can change variable as long as you keep the limits same. So 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Here dt becomes dx minus pi by 2 log 2. So this is I. 2I equal to I minus pi by 2 log 2. That means if you take I to this side, you get this equation. I equal to minus pi by 2 log 2 answer. This is the answer for that worked out example. Now we will go to exercises in our next videos. Meanwhile, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel, because I am your Tata.